Hey guys, it's Colin for Hollywood Studios here. Today is December 29th and we are here at Great Adventure for another Jersey Devil coaster construction update. So here's the sign that they put up a few weeks ago and we're going to move further down the bridge to check out the construction. So we are over here down further on the bridge, and as you guys can see, the forms are here for the footer caps on these footers and over there on those footers. They're probably on footers further back, but we can't see them from this angle. But there's definitely been a lot of progress on this coaster. We are over here by the former Looney Tunes Seaport entrance, and you can see more footer caps over there. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share if you're excited for Jersey Devil Coaster, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye guys.